An iframe is essentially a mini version of a website on your website. There's tons of reasons why you might want to embed an iframe on your own website. One reason may be, let's say you're a Squarespace designer and you want to showcase a client's site. You can embed that site on your site, like Inception. So the reasons are myriad. I won't go into them all because I'll just bore you. But this is how you actually add an iframe onto a Squarespace website.
Let's get this iframe embedded into the site. So first off, you want to find the page that you want to put the embed on. So let's say we've got a portfolio. If you follow my portfolio guide in a blog collection, because side note, in Squarespace's portfolio sections, you can only get 40 items. I think it's 40 or 50. So if you want to go over that, then you have to make a blog collection. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you go and watch it. Anyway, so let's say you want to add it into here. We'll call this, portfolio item 1. And we say, okay, I designed this website, or I, did this copy on this website, whatever. We want to show off a website basically. And we want to show off the live website in this instance. So we'd click plus to add a block in, and then we'd say, okay, we want to embed. So you can do embed or code. It doesn't really matter. I'll go with code. We get rid of this code that's here. Then what we want to do is pop our code in. So I'll paste this in. This one's a really simple iframe. You can go more advanced with like frame borders and stuff like that. But if we open this up, it's super duper simple. We open up our iframe. So iframe, and then we say source equals, then we open up our speech marks. In between that, we put the URL that we want to show. So if it's a live site, we stick that in. We can do this with videos, let's say YouTube or Vimeo as well. But in this instance, we're just going to show an entire site. Then we close up our speech marks, and then we specify a width and a height. Then we close our iframe. Now let's see what that looks like. So you can see I've just done the By Crawford site. We'll save this, go out, and then you can see that the user can actually scroll through the beautiful By Crawford site like so. And like you can actually interact with it. It is very cool. It is very cool. So this is really good for portfolio stuff or doing, like I say, YouTube video embeds and stuff like that. So very cool. And I'll just show you quickly how you can customize the size. So let's say you want to do the width. Let's just call it 960. Height 515. Hit save. And you can see it's kind of a little bit more of a desktop then. The only thing with something like this is on mobile, it will go off the page. So I'd probably just keep it around the values that I had it initially. But that said, it does look cool on desktop, so it is up to you. So that's it. Super simple. That's how you put an iframe into a Squarespace website in the simplest way. If you found this useful, please make sure to leave a like, hit subscribe, and check out all of the Squarespace resources in the description below.